Nakakatuwang panoorin ng anak ni Katrina Halili na si Katie habang ipinapakita ang kanyang pagiging malapit at magalang sa mga guro at staff ng kanilang paaralan. Kamakailan lamang ay nabideyohan ni Katrina ang isang nakakagiliw na tagpo nang sunduin niya si Katie sa eskwelahan. Sa halip na agad umuwi, naglaan muna ng oras si Katie upang makipagbonding sa kanyang mga guro, kanilang principal, at iba pang mga staff. Kinantahan ni Katie ang kanyang mga guro at ang principal ng paaralan. Makikita sa video ang tuwa at pagkabighani ng mga guro sa ginawang pasorpresa ni Katie. Tila naging instant mini-concert ito na puno ng kasiyahan at positibong enerhiya.
I'm just a little bit caught in the middle, like in a maze, and love is a riddle. I don't know where to go, but do it alone I try, and I don't know why. I'm just a little girl lost in a moment. I'm so scared, but I don't show it. I can figure it out. It's bringing me down, I know. Not to let it go and just enjoy the show. The sun is hot in the sky, just like the colors spotlight. People follow the sun. Time for nice and time. It's the joke. Nobody knows. They gonna make it to that show. I'm just a little bit caught in the middle, like it's a maze, like a riddle. Don't know where to go, do it alone I try, and I don't know why. I'm just a little bit lost in a moment. I'm so scared, I don't know when I don't figure it out. When deep down I know I got to let it go. Try to show. Just enjoy the show. I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a dream, and I'm in the middle. I don't know where to go. No, I tried, and I don't know why. I'm just a little girl lost in the moment. I'm so scared. I can't figure it out. Bring it down, I know. Got to let it go. Just enjoy the show. Da-dum-dee-dum, da-dum-dee-dum. Just enjoy the show. Dum-dee-dum. Let's enjoy the show. I want my money back. I want my money back. I want my money back. Let's enjoy the show. I want my money back. I want my money back. Just enjoy the show. Nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko, mabuti ang pangarap, ako'y hahanapin. Oh, hanggang magkakala natin. Nagkakaroon lang sa'yo, ako'y makayan, ibig mo. Kahit mabuti na pagdating ng araw ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo gaganap ng aral sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Maalala ko sa'yo ang ating pangako, ang pag-ibig na laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Grabe na yung matawa dyan. May nag-explain na ito. Mga binukuli niya. May mga binukuli.
Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang ating pangako, ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. You believe of me, it's right.